This video will introduce how to use Ivy Gen 2, including setup and initial use. Remove some soil from the bottom of the pot. Firm the soil and place it in the tray. Firm and smooth the soil. Clean the inner pot with a tissue and place it by the device. For the first time use, please plug in the charging cable. Stay plugged in for 24/7 care. Put the assembled plant by your side. Let's begin by introducing how to use the touch controls on the left and right sides. The area inside the red circle is the left touch area. The area inside the red circle is the right touch area. If a yellow dot appears on the screen, it means you can touch the side where the dot is located. Download the Smart Life app from the App Store. Turn on your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Tap Add Device on the Tuya app homepage. Ivy supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, 5 GHz Wi-Fi not supported. Enter Wi-Fi name and password to start setup. Wait until the app interface changes to please wait. Use the included measuring cup to add 50 milliliters of water. Tip: please add water to water tank only, not to the inner pot. Place the plant into the pot. The first activation of the Ivy Gen 2 has been successfully completed. Find the planted plants in the app. Select to sync location information. The screen default is the emoji interaction interface. Tap the front button to switch to the plant care screen. Tap left or right to view the plant's environment status. Tap to switch to the time and weather. Tap the right side to view the next 12 hours weather. Continue tapping the right side to view the calendar. Tap again to return to the main time and weather page. Tap the front button to switch to Pomodoro mode. Tap the right side to start the Pomodoro clock. Tap the right side to exit the Pomodoro clock. Tap left to view the total Pomodoros. Tap the right side to exit. Tap the front button to switch to the device info page. Tap again to return to the emoji interaction interface.